die kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
They say better days are coming, but the truth they keep hiding, it's all the same old lies over and over again.
Aku beli fibro ke World Music Day ke besuk buat pakapan. Ngin dapat agini arsnam kan ni jingpang corona kala ketajur hi bro ki brio. Pat kumju yang ni ka music community. Ni kum ka music community ngi dong kam ka jing Krishan. Pat jing ai men siam na kalyang jong fi ki pat ba. Kum kitu ki ba ai kini ki online concert. Pat kitu ba persang ban dia ki jing rai jong ki haki online music stores kum ka Amazon Music lani ka Google Play Music lani ka iTunes pat ki we. So bahaya ram pun aja Krishan ni bat ban ai men siam na yang ni. Kadang jing ong ba music hills ba ka jing tam jing put lani ki sur jing rai ki kapen jam. Pada la fin dapat hi yang ni apartai hi ka music adan ha jing imjung ni. Dara di kapor kemen lani por sosngi. Kamta ma kini ki por ki balong iti brana ji stom lani ki brana ki jing so menlong. Abangi sengap ini ki jing rai ki ba ai men siam. Nga kermen bang tip ba kini ki jing rai hi ki bron jing mun kin yarap ya ka jing mut jing perkan jong ki brio ba ban ai men siam ni ban im ban la ban persang ban ya chaprang ke ebing ile. Saya sisien ngai ku blai fi ka World Music Day besuk pro komen. Ku blai sibon.
They say things will get better. They say that we must stand together. They say better days.
Kulay pibaro, hakani ka por nga ko abangan ay ka jings mo ya unong san himaw ba la ay nga kanila mangan kren kren kansa alor kani kasi mangirakhi ya ka World Music Day. Hakajing ni jong hashimen ka jinglong jingman jong garwai ka siaw ka put ka tem hangani jela jongi ka idon jingkermen. Kisap kiphong ngala ban ong ba nilala ban penyanu juar bat kibe pat kiri jong ka perthai. Bagru kibriyo ka jela jongi kilas dang ban kiyo om tang ha kisur tanrai Henry hakiway pat kijat hukom roy papel. Kuman shu ay nuksa ha ka blues ne, ka country ne, ka rap ne, ka jazz bat kumta ter. Tingas mo ban ong ba ka laway jungi kalong ka bathanay. Nge ba ni shem kidan bun. Tang ba kaway na padeng kita ki bangala nga kwa ban kadaw hangi ka day ka jing bang yo nong bay pisa na ka banta. Kijing thmu ban pami kijing roy lani ki sponsors. Baksa kawai nga pa ban ong ba ka jingduna haki lat pan nya yogi kijing rai lani ka marketing ka lockdown ka la khangla pan penlong ki concert ki festival kijing ya ko rai ba pher te bat hakaju ka por ki khana ki pamanta ki ju smart pan ya lit rai haki club ki hotel ba pher khanang bakin la ban ban mi pisa na kabanta ban bakin thiet ki jingdon kam jo ki kumya ki ya ka guitar ne ki microphones ne kumi kum ta ter te ka kani ka jing wan jo kani ka klampat ka pendu lat ya ki ba ya ki nong penyat ru bakin penlong kini ki chat program te hakani ko kom ka ngasmo ba kala kata jur bha ya kinong roi Tang na kini kikentian nga kwa man shu ai kublay Happy World Music Day biang yepi baro kublay shu.
Kutirat sing kusim dan buram dan na yari ukni ukang yari omsna kong klur mingi
Kublay fibaro nga kateng ibadah monsun way ni ki kaitor jang ko pri nyo trap. Ti hari ko por nga dapat jing kemen ka bakraw ban yo kani galat ban ai khuble kelum lang nadu ki habarit ki samla ki long kumi ki long pa bat khamta me ep ki riwi jingwai happy world music day kadi singi ba comment shisha ka singi ban pen kan ma ngi ba karwai ka seo ka put ka tem kidi kita ki tawai ba ka jingim ka jingi ki ba pen kot ki jingmong ki ba ajing kerman bat ki ba ajing kerman bat ha juga porung as ko apan pen pa hang ni ba buan plan jungi ngi sungo benyau ngi sungo si shisha ba nadu bawan kan ka khlam kala kata shisha ya ki sap ki phong kala kata shisha ya ki babun balang khamta me hagani ka jeli jong karwai ka seo put ka tem buan plan jungi ngi im jakpo na kan ka kam ti ngila sha khangla hagi babun ki liang ngim yo shuban perform na ni ban rahi kiran san ki bahe wala da de ha ka jalala jong ni shabar jala wat shabari rukumju Henry wala kataru ngim shim la du man sim ngim shim la kan randien ngiye beteng ban penmi ki jarai ki jing ngiye beteng ban penon kam hok ya kata kasap ka bau bleu la ai ngiye beteng ban pen sung pai pi na ko ka por sa ko bat ngi karparu ipi ki pardo persnam dan ki riu i jing rai sung ba ban ye beteng ban kershani ban ai kata ka support ba ngindupla ban ye beteng ban penmi shishu ki jarai bangin pensung pai pi na ko ka por sa ko pat te sai sien happy world music day uble nang kur ku doi pi ku ble shibun
Hello para lobbaro ngade miracle ding do na po nong stoin ban ngakwa ban ai ku play world music day ka bakman ya pibaro ban ngakwa ban ai ku play shibun ki musicians ba pher ki bala ai hangi ki jingruai ki basno tenat pangin yo ban singap man kasni wat la hakum kan ka por hapdeng jakan ka khlam ki jingruai bat ki jing put jing tem ki ai pentingan ni ki jing em ka jangi ba man kasni ot kum ki musicians ni don ki jing ki ba pher habangi kwa ban perform live kim yo show kum ya kata kalat pada pangi kwa ban live recording shaki studio ki ba pher lengi ban live video keleng ngim yo kata kalat ba kalat ngiladan jing ha kayat kayeng namar pangi hap pikir ya lade bangin nam yo mat kum ya unyu jing pang ndre wala kataru ngidang la ban le kemen bangin yo ban nyeput ya tem wat na laying na semru te ngakermen ba pin ya syaja klan ba pindan habadeng kamet ke bakwai bakia te sumar bahaya lade ba tu ublay unri unsumar ya pi play shibun
nong sa ima balawan kapang bisung kani kubar ngari penskam khalsarin bari ni di lawan penhunung si te lamba kasam ko mangi i kapandong ngaban kumwei na ki ngamdong tham tau baladan jingtip khambun sangka put kata mane karwai kasiaw handrei hai sap ibarat bom nong thau ai ni isu pendong kami kata kebau ai halor jeni te ai kasab jong i bai don kata ka benta kum hakin wai kuman te kum ki opera te namba kasab ko i wai baju sung tanat ban rohai ban siaw langam dairu tau bong nongrai kum ki wai pat te haka jini i junga ai mesim i balam bagan ki jungai ka bai don sap ban namba ka jini juruai ngai yo kalat bangan persang ban thau bat lang baju i ayo meruai kini juruai ka bang seo ban pelaj ru ya ka video ni la ada ban shooting bat menta karang don pok ka editing te ka jingmu dengan juruai ka jingmu dengan juruai kalam hak pertai menta ka don setengah jing bom suk sudah
ya kan dengan juruai lah sina bat la kompos ta ipin scan bat la sina ta pur kun western types kum maka opera tong bala pun wandur pat ha kajing roi kasih kumbang upira kasih di persamban di aktif joki
Donut reu om dan jaka namatlah pun kikam kenca sing suka pedri capok kinang ka jingso kiai pertapan yo ya ka kuaka suning duriau ya ka jingso kiai pertapan yo ya ka
Play World Music Day ya phi baro ya ka World Music Day la kan mau ka art phoi tare ku jileu man ka snem ban I'm same ki musician ne ki nong tam nong pot khna ki samla pat baro ki badon ka sap ka phong ki jonki kumangi ong mo ka parthe khlem ka music ka long ka bom don jingmon namar kata la rakhe ka World Music Day la kan mau burom ya ka sap ha ka tem ka poi Hakum kini ki po juga klam COVID-19 tumin ya rakhe ya ka World Music Day da ka bangi long ki ba atkar klang bangi lam pen im ya ka roots ne ka arts of music di man kan mau ba ka music ka de ka atiar ban man ra ya ka jingkala kalong ke ero ka ba itanan pen yu I ba ki kaitor ki shnai ki jingruai pat ki sap ki jongki da ka jing light loy ne ka independent music scene Kani ka klam COVID-19 klak ta jor bahaya ka entertainment music industry. Kam tam ki kaitor ki ba krishan dala de yala de. Titung ilong ki ba krishan lang ya ka pot ka tem nang ba ila ban wanra ya ka imlang sa lang ka ba kam ba madru ya ka perkhat perdan madru ya ka mental health ka jongi. Kadu ya why ban rakhe ya ka neka International Music Day tong ni sap iwe jinwa gi bang skrotanat e maru ban tem iktiar gi bang skrotanat klisha jarngo
Everyone knows that the 21st of June is celebrated as World Music Day, but sadly this year, because of the pandemic, all the plans of most of the musicians, I'm sure, and organizations in Shillong and around the world who really wanted to celebrate this day could not be done because of what is the situation's like. But I think many of them are trying to do it virtually, but the effect will never be the same. But then I'm sure, because music is something which brings people together, and I'm sure no matter what medium they use, people are still going to enjoy whatever individuals or societies or groups put up for this to celebrate this day. Oh, it's really sad actually, this pandemic, because many musicians who really got the chance to go out and perform, and for them, many of them, it was their livelihood, it was their way of earning a living. And because of the pandemic, now they're back here, cannot go out. So there's no source of income for them. There's no source of income at all. So it's really sad to see that they have to go through something like this because of what is happening, the situation, what's happening. But I was just thinking, if Shillong had the government kind of sponsored these kind of if we had institutes, music institutes, where these same artists could teach and could be a part of that institution, at least they would earn something. Even if they were just guest faculty, they could have gone and earned a little bit of money through that, because then they would have online classes, they would still keep earning. Right now what they have to do is they have to perform virtually, and performing virtually, with the moment you say pay, you have to pay some money, very few people really want to do so. Because I think in Shillong, people just think musicians are like, they're just doing something for pastime, it's not their way of earning a living. So they don't really get that respect which they really require. Because I think they're doing something which they love, they're working hard for it, they're practicing day in and day out. So they need to be respected for their art. Just like we as teachers feel we should be respected for what we're doing, and doctors the same. So that is a profession. So I think they also should be respected. But the pandemic has really played spoilsport, and I think many of them are suffering so much because of what's happening right now. Generally, I'm saying if the pandemic was there or not, but I'm saying generally, we really don't have a venue for musicians to perform. I mean, a small town like Difu has, I think, 3 amphitheaters. We don't even have one. And we call ourselves the music capital of the country. It's really sad, because I'm saying, if we want our young people to be able to get better at what they're doing where music is concerned, we need to give them a platform. We need to give them a place where they don't have to spend money, where they can just go on a stage and enjoy the weekends performing for people. And that is going to be practice where they can hone their skills and get much, much better. So in the future, these boys and girls will be able to live through music, because that's their passion. But sadly, there's nothing like that here. We don't even have a hall. The only hall that we have is Sosotham Auditorium, where today if you want to book it, you have to book it at least a year in advance. It's very sad. It's really sad, and I think the government should step in where this is concerned. Set up a performing arts school, set up institutions where young people can take this line seriously, where they can learn music seriously and also become teachers at the end of it. Because if we want good musicians, we need to get good teachers, and I think this will help them a long way. Basically, not only about music, but also about performing arts in general, where you're talking about dance, where you're talking about theatre. All that will help a great deal, because I think each individual has their own loves and their own talents. And why are we restricting education only to academics? Why can't they be educated as dancers? Why can't they be educated as sports people? Why can't they be educated in so many other fields where at the end of the day they can earn their living? Why are we restricting it to only academics and say from this you're going to get engineers, doctors and lawyers? I think everyone needs their space. A classroom is made of variety of children, so each one has their passions. Some might be one designer, some might just want to be a carpenter, but why not? If that's the way he's going to be living, and that's the way that's what he wants, and if that is going to bring food on his table, why not? So I think we need to respect each and everybody for what they love. Yes, and I think so much more should be done for musicians when we're talking about it, because everyone knows the Northeast is blessed with good musicians. Even when our choir has traveled to different parts of the world, they are amazed at the kids' voices, and they are even more amazed when they realize that the kids are not trained. Everything is like they sing by ear, and everything comes from the heart, and that's what you want, that passion. Personally, I've heard friends of mine who were infected with the virus and who said that because of music they were able to get through it, because there were many songs that they were listening to, many artists who they were listening to, where the lyrics of those songs really gave them, really inspired them. It really taught them to be stronger, really taught them to fight against all odds, and never to give up. And I think that is what music does. It brings people together. It helps people who are going through so much of pain to know that through that song, to know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. That basically again, never give up, but just to fight, to be able to do their best, that they will be able to go through this huge hurdle which is there in their life, but it'll get okay if they work hard and try to overcome that obstacle.
From the equator to the poles, nature was given by God alone. In all the places of the earth, the beauty of nature we see. From the equator to the poles, nature was given by God alone. In all the places of the earth, the beauty of nature we see. Nature is a pearl of life, a diamond of the world. Oh, people, let us keep it safe, preserve its face for all generations. From the equator to the poles, nature was given by God alone. In all the places of the earth, the beauty of nature we see. The beauty of nature we see.
Kublai pi baro mentaka di kesengi ke ba kerpang ha ke ba ka perthai baro koi ka yele ekmen era ta kesengi bagi kot ka World Music Day te ngashim ya kani kala ka kabuban ai kublai ya baro ki paranong ruai ki nong pot nong tem bat baro ki ba i jing ruai bat nga ai kublai ki Happy World Music Day. Di kendiat sepang ka roy ka siaw ka put ka tem ka degi ke ba kongsan ba ka jing jing brio bat ba perthai bro goi ka tip ikata but kumunchu ono tin pareng music is a universal language ting ting ni la wanum suthu kindar wai we ga ktin jing we pat kiri Andrei wala rangim suthui kintian ru Andrei ka bojang ka music kalaban kta ya ka dono chung ununu brio ti hakisnem ba menshua kumagani ka singi bakar pang ki sidon ki program kumna ka state government ka art and culture department nang tak ICCR but kiwe pat ki school ba ki ba ai ka ya ka music ki juran ka nong ka jingli akamen mo festival ndrei ni sngo diao namar ba kumagani ka por jongani ka pandemic COVID-19 kini ki arsnem ngim shimnala ban celebrate ya kani ka World Music Day ndrei wala kataru ngim de bentuk jingkelmen ti ni but ngasngo ba kan kam tam hakani ka por ka ba baro ki brio jongani ka perthai adu ki baduk spa ni shem jingjar ba shem jing e ti ai ba ka kuman oktin pareng sesin music heals ai ba ka music kan pentingan ya ka download ko tamang jung yo ti sho bangan penkut nga kwa ban pensngo fi shaywe pat isuri ba na thau hi the call of the hills ka jingkhot jing kilum ti pat na saisisin nga shimyang nga galat ban ai khuble ya baro ki kaitor ki nongruai ki nong thau jing ruai ki nong thau jing ruai kinong ruai, kinong put, kinong tem, but kinong arrangers, ki recorders, baro ki badan menta haka music badia fi baro ki basotonat ya music. Ti okay, antem menta. Shibun. Happy World Music Day.
World Music Day. Man usnem ka longum ni. Long ka don be kita ka World Music Day ndai. Tamba hakini ki arsnem compare kan dia. Nomor balai kum ki nong rai nong tem. Ni kwa ban don kum ki concert bengenyo ban perform. Ne let's say ki don ki ba kwa ban le new song recording. Of course menta ki don kini ki ka teknologi menta ki ba kila ban le hieng rekidon pat bapli ki bam la ban afford ban le kum taru te hagani ka World Music Day menta musnem maskwa ban kentu ye ki riu e jingroi ba kinang yai tho ai gi jingroi jungki kinang yai roi gi jingroi jungki long ka balong relevant ne ka balong ka ba ya dei bat ka juk ka ba menta te ban ai man sim ki weiru khamtam ki ni ki khna ki bedang lung ki bedang ki bedang san ki mendang wat ya kata kasap ka bakidon bakin pen i cha ka parthai ho ngi shamjing e na marba hagani ka khlam ka bawan menta kalong ka ba e ki musicians khamtam ki to le ki ba im shukhain no haka juk ka bamenta ki labon ki ba im naka put ka tem naka rawai ka siaw ki labon ba im rei menta pat akum kani ka jinglong menta te ki bon ki ba du bopli ti wat ki ba record studio ru makiru ka jingdu jungki ka bakrawa namar kimyo customer kata ka inga kwa ban ong ba tang mangim dei ban ya sngow diaw ya ta nginde man ya continue ba nginde ban ya bi shkamat ko mangir kum ka ban kum ka Snow White nga leng nong rawai jang Snow White te ki babun ki khimilenti hoi menta ka sin ni la mut ban le kita ki jing rawai ba thamai rei ngimyo alat bangin le ko wei ka long dei na kan ka daw tamangim long pat bangin su ong bet ba ka dei na kan ka daw bangim numla su ban le ei ngidi ban wan ka lenti ka ba ngidi ban thau ka but ne ngidi ban kum tangin pendon kam ka jing nang ka jing start ka jongi khamtam kani ka juk ba menta ki bon ki khna ki belanang la start ban ngiyo ai teknologi ru ka bathamai ka babon ba tingi di ban nang ban pendon kam teknologi nga thrangi la ai ban le ai ti man syong ka wei ka long ba lada de badon kum ka performing art society menchua kila ya sengi kata ti menta ka ladon kata ka construction jong kata ka performing art center ti nei kata ka empat urlong hadu menta banda de baka urlong kata ru nei banda don kum kani ka khlam ru at least ki musicians ki nang la ban lej hang tu ki nyo pulut por ti le se banda ka sarkar ka sim khiai kata ka isen ai ki musicians ki jungi kala ban longkam kala ban yarap ki sibon kai ka syong e ka kejing kentu jong nga ka long ka syong e ki khna ba kinum sngow diaw nei bakin penon kam ba ka sap ka jongki kum ba dei namarkan sawan hi ka por bangin sayo biang e ta ka ban penon kam lai lut ya kani ka ruai ka put ka siaw ka jing e baki kendo te mostly kumba ha ka por ka jongi nei ngi sem jing e sponsorship te wat mentar nga thrai kum ya ka taro ki dang sem jing e namarkan no e ki bala ban ong ba namar menta ka mostly ka long business minded a genre of business minded te kemut lada dan menu ban sponsor ki kemut ki don ki expect ba what it will be the return ru kata ka de we jing e ngapai ki artist nei namar ki kim don ki ba la ban sponsor ki te teng teng ki dei ki musicians lani ki nong ruai ki ba ka jingkot jung ki kam dei hadu ka ba kata la da shubu menta ki kwa ban le any music video su kim la man le ka wei ka long ba financially kim long sound te la da ki kwa sponsorship ru te kum nga ong kum ta kamot ki sponsor su they expect the return right kata ka wei ka jing e phi mus ka wei pa ka jing e ka long ba technologically ru mangi ngimpat dalong very well equipped sini studios ki don mo tamalong kum ki technology ki bangila suppose menta wei shong shkawe ki jaka and then ule ka recording ula ban le hieng ya ka pat jung ula ban le hieng then he send the track show wei ta ka pat jung tu wei ule hieng kum kata ka technology ngimpat don fi tar ko de ka wei drawbacks handai bana di bala ban le amta nomor ki don ki bun ki nong put nong tem ki ba jong ki wei pat ki perthai ki la ban le kom ta example say like DT Dream Theater kitu kim dei bagi shong haju ki record rei nakawai keri syakawai keri kila ban ado kata dengi ngi patang hang ni genir ngim pala ban le apa taro ka dei ka wei ka drawback kan dei ba kedon kumta teknologi te ki jongi rukin kim dei ki ba la sa dien ki blaya smart bahai kini yes ka kini ki por ki khna man ta ki start ba ki tip bahai kini teknologi tamalong ka availability bat kan pi music heals kadai ka ba fi ong pi mensuaru kala ayat kum tahi ka jing shisha dei tang bong ha ni ka klam ubrio menta sbu usong si ule ayo don gi ki snap ya ka music ki don gi ba pang gi ba shitam ki bala shubu ki bala shutia ndrei ki don pat ki ba snap ya ka music nomor balai ka main jungi kalong nong gumno ka pen penganya ka jebing ka jingmut ka jing perkhat jungki ka music kalong hadu kata kamtam kum kitu ki music ki ba long jai kum jazz kitu ki long jai ba te kitu kinu hi ki music ngan ong hi ki dei kita ki ba pen koj pen khia yu brio ngathrai klem da don hi ki music dei ubrio num em ha jing sultanat ngam tip hadu ka nungut ki bala ban em klem kata hanrei ngangit scam ba bun hi majority klem ka music te it's like food kumi ngi musicians ni kala lom ka bam te namar ngi kemen ru ngi snap jing roi habangi susi ru ngi snap jing roi hakapang shitom ru alam ngi ti akapang ru ngi sultanat ban snap jing roi ngi snap jing roi te ngasngo ba kata ka jing pang ro khoi kan jalut hoi kam long gum ta tang ban rei sisin hi ba ka khlan ka jing mut ka jing perkhat ka jing pang kam julaan ban te kata ka wei ka boong ba music heals ka dei na kata ka daw na makakata ka jing perkhat jungi dei ba ko ong kata physically rei sisin hi ba ka kata ka jing perkhat ka jing pangru kam shanslem no ka jam kloi dei sisin hi ba ubrio mentally ka jing perkhat jung kam shai kam khuoj te ka jing pangru ka ban na thrai pi ngai kata ka bong ong mga ngakan mau ka por ba mangai ladi nga sha test positive kajing sung diau kata kapala long palat bahan ria gitu kipor ba ningkong li mdei kum kapor menta man ta gibiru kila kham nang gumnu ban pikiri le jong wat ladaka kata khlam kanjur unrei long ta kita ki protokol kita kajing nong gumno kita ki rekum ban bud kita ki kendon kila kham nang te ndai ka ki por baning kong kan mau ngayo positif nga sha test positif ti kadai hakaju ko por hi ba ki SU pan kapan longi gitu ko online singing competition ti hakata ka jing sngo kulmar jing mut ka junga ba nga sha test positif de ngongan le akumno kain ngan i no ane akumno ye kata ka jing long way na kita ki judge ka to ka online singing competition ngapan tip si ki SU ngo pe nga sha test positif nganum la ban wan nrei ngan persyang bangan le na yeng te ngapenut por kata ka por bang ka quarantine la dia ngapenut por ngadon ka laptop kata ba so ong teknologi fi ngadon ka laptop ti nga download online ni gitu ki online singing competition nga judge hakapor ba nga syong quarantine te mostly most of the time nga ngap gitu jing roi bagi roi gitu kena te ai men sim yang kidon ki badang red ki badang news nem ki badang ship host nem ki badang khatar ki ruai ta ka jing sunat yo men sim manang ta kelet lut dikata ka jing shong quarantine ka jing test positive ru kelet lut dikata ka wei nga soong ba mene music heals ko mafi it is true ladang ngi penut por and then we concentrate ngi snguthu ba kata ka jebing ka jingmut ka jing perkhat jungi ka phangan te ngaklam lele jo nga pendep dikata ka judging ni gitu ki online singing competition ru ngongi Donald ngong du nga dep I've tabulate everything nga pa asiki nga hapor bangarang shong quarantine te habakut ke quarantine te ka tu ka online competition ru lakut te kamut haiti por nga ngayo ban simbenta hak music dena takada banga sala ila dia bangan kumta bangan come out of this kan kam dai tang kataru ublai ru dei we ngihap duai ngihap gerpa di ublai ru bana marba mdai tang kata ka music kabala ban le amta without God's helping hand pat nginhap kan mau ba nginamla